So it's still running rough. It's got brand new TPS, which I even wired a new plug for it. I unplugged it, it did pick up RPM, so I know it's getting some sort of signal input from it. It still won't decelerate right. Still holds high idle. If you grab it real quick, I don't know. It's got brand new 15 pound/hour Excel injectors in it. I cleaned up all the vacuum lines I could find. All the vacuum lines are new that are rubber, except for this one, but that wasn't even, there was nothing wrong with it. I just ran out of hose, so I just didn't replace it. It's got new upper intake manifold plenum gaskets. You can see them down in there, like right there, you can see them. It's got new valve cover gaskets. That's just the old stuff burning off. You see any smoking, but yeah, it's still running rough. I don't know. It still stumbles at idle. It's got a rough idle. I can't figure it out.